Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C25Y, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up settings. From here, scroll down all the way to System, where you'll find Reset Options, and then here you want to select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will provide you with information what this process will remove. So as you can see, we have things like Google account, music, downloaded apps, photos, user data, and so on. So if there's anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to back up, then you can proceed by tapping on Erase All Data. Do that once again and the process will begin. Now this will take probably a couple minutes to finish up, and once it has, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.